Eso me pasa, mami, por quererte ver mientras eras ajena y también tu piel en el mismo party, pero otro ser. Estabas más buena que me estremece. Con la boca y placer. Si me toca yo te como otra vez. Con la boca y placer. Si me toca yo te como otra vez. Lo hago otra vez. Ella era mi parcerita y besaba como niña bendita. Se casó con un
Hello guys. Hi. Hi guys. Bella Rue hasn't been doing the best. Lately she got bit by mosquitoes. I'm gonna put you down for a second, okay? So lately she got bit by like a bunch of mosquitoes. I don't know if it happened when we took her out on a walk or she does like to sit outside in the backyard and get some sun. I don't know, but she got a ton of mosquito bites. She's been itching like crazy. We've been trying to help and we've been like spraying this like spray. It's actually the same brand as this that I went to go get this morning. And it hasn't gone away and I feel like she's just annoyed. I mean, I would be annoyed too if I was getting bit by mosquitoes. I know how like annoying it is to have to scratch it. I went to PetSmart. I picked up the same brand of this spray that I already had, but this is like a flea and tick shampoo. And I don't think she has like flea and ticks because I've looked through her fur and she's very light, so I feel like I'd be able to see it if she did have any. I didn't see any, so I don't know if it's just bites from mosquitoes, but just in case if she has anything, I want her to get rid of it because I feel bad. So I got this one and it smells really, really good. It's made with rosemary and peppermint oil and it smells like peppermint. Like the lid's still on and I can smell it over the lid. Also needed a new shampoo, so we're gonna try this one out. So this one is the Top Paw Hydrating with Oatmeal and Coconut Water, and I like that this one's like free of sulfates, parabens, artificial colors, etc. And the only way I can describe this is it smells like cocoa melon. Like it smells like coconut and melon. I don't know, but it's supposed to be hydrating. I like for her skin to be hydrating and her fur, like usually when I give her a bath, her fur is like super, super soft and it smells good. While I was at checkout, I saw these and I'm like, you know what? This is gonna be like her little treat reward for after her bath because she doesn't really like taking baths. Like she hates the word bath. If I say the word bath, she like freaks out and runs away. But once she's like getting a bath, she's totally fine. So I don't know, but check these out. The Churros style mini sticks. So this one says it's dog chews with vegetables and chicken. And there's no rawhide. So as you know, rawhide's not good for dogs. And so chewing helps maintain healthy teeth, and it's made with real peanut butter, no artificial preservatives or colors, anything like that. But like it literally looks like a churro. Do we see this? Oh my god, I'm freaking excited. And these were pretty inexpensive. They were at the checkout at PetSmart, and so I'm gonna give her a little bath and we're gonna give her a treat because I think after all that pain and her little bath that she's gonna hate, she's gonna feel better. I hope she does. And why not give her a little treat after? You ready, Mama? You ready for your bath? You ready? Gotta dry you, okay? Oh my god, you did so good, baby. You did so good. I know. So this is what it looks like. Wow. I cannot believe it looks like an actual churro. Come here, Mama. Wow, good job. Thank you for getting a bath. It's like, what is this? When are you gonna try it out? How is it? How is it, Mama? Is it good? I have the camera on her, so she's like, why are you recording me? I'm just trying to enjoy it.
Y con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento, nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti, dulzura. Que pasó entre yo solo cuenta.
Okay, so I just got back from Target and I ended up walking out of there with 4 bags. So let me show you guys what I picked up. I'm trying to eat better because I feel like ever since I got back from the Texas trip, I just haven't been doing that great, quite honestly, and I'm trying to get back to it. And I felt like if I have some of these pre-made salads, it will kind of hold me accountable, and I see them in the fridge and I'm like, okay, I need to have this for lunch. So, and these are actually only $3.49. So these are like little side salads. You can even make a wrap out of them. But I got that one. I got the hot salami little tray thing. These are super, super good for a snack. I got a ton of salads just to let you guys know. This is, oh, actually, this is the Caesar salad, and then this is the house salad. So I got those two. And then I got a Santa Fe style salad. Also a cilantro avocado salad. I know it's like a ton of salads, but this is what's gonna help me out. I already know it, and I know it works for me. And if you've seen my previous videos, you know that these blackened chicken strips are my favorite, but sometimes they're hard to find. I one time went to multiple grocery stores trying to find them. If you haven't had them before and you see them at Target, trust me, pick them up. Although I feel like the price went up just like everything else. And then these are really, really good. It's the Fiber One soft baked bars, the cinnamon coffee cake. They're only 5 net carbs and 2 grams of sugar. They're quite small, but they're perfect in the morning for like your cafecito. If you're trying to have something kind of light, but you want to eat something, these are perfect. I love those. And the reason why I went to Target is because I needed coffee creamers. Of course, I needed other things, right? But I needed coffee creamer. This is the one that I've been usually picking up. It's the Starbucks Zero Sugar Caramel Macchiato one. And I wanted to pick up 2, but I haven't tried the hazelnut latte one. And honestly, girls, I am not hazelnut kind of girl. So I really don't know how I'm going to like this, but I feel like I can't knock it till I try it. So we'll see how we do there. I needed hairspray, and I usually get the Aussie brand only because I like the smell of their products, so I'm using that. And I'm also trying to get my water intake, so I got one of the Market Pantry raspberry lemonade little drops to put in my water cup to help me drink water. Kevin swears that his hangers have legs and they disappear, or they're magical, because I don't know where his hangers are going, so he told me to pick up some hangers. And then tonight, I think I'm gonna make some like chicken Alfredo with broccoli situation. So I got broccoli florets, and we're trying this Bertolli creamy basil Alfredo sauce. It looks really good actually, but I've never tried it. I've only tried, I think, their Alfredo one and their garlic Alfredo one, I think. So I'm gonna be making that tonight. And then rotini, and then just some chicken in there for the dinner. Okay, what else did I get? Oh yeah. So over here we have Kevin's favorite like breakfast bars in the morning. So this is the Nature Valley cinnamon brown sugar. He swears these are super, super good. So we got the giant pack. And we've both been wanting hot links, and I didn't even know Johnsonville made beef hot links. So These are gonna be perfect. I'm gonna throw them in the Foodie Ninja with some relish, maybe some grilled onion. Ugh, sounds so good. Perfect for the summertime. I picked up one of these like ready to eat. You just basically heat this up, the barbacoa one. I've had the barbacoa, I've had the carnitas, I've had, what else have I had? The chile verde one, and honestly, they're all pretty good. I mean, I don't know what people expect for heat and serve, but honestly, this is super, super good. I put some limon, put some onion in there. I usually make like tacos, or I'll make Mexican rice on the side and beans, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna have one of these this week. I also picked up this V8 Energy like little cans. Kevin doesn't usually drink like Red Bull, Monsters, and Celsius like I do, but he does like these. The good thing about these is they're only like 50 calories and you have your veggies and your fruit in there, and the caffeine is very minimal. There's not a lot of caffeine, so it gives you a little bit of a boost, but nothing like a Red Bull. So got the peach mango. It comes in different flavors. And then I got one of the Fresh Pet rolls for Bella. Look at, you see her? You see her? One of the Fresh Pet rolls for Bella. Yeah. Lately, she's been a little brat. So usually we give her wet food and dry food. And we basically give her the option to choose. She's a little brat and she knows she can get away with it. She knows. But I've been buying her Fresh Pet food for a long time now, and I think she's getting tired of it because she's been eating her dry food, because we recently switched dry foods. We try to switch it up every now and then, but since we recently switched dry foods, she's been kind of neglecting this, which is crazy because these are expensive. So that's that. But yeah, I think that is pretty much all I got for my Target haul.
Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame. Que ahora adultos sabemos bien lo que vamos a hacer. Tu piel caramelizada y el pecado. Pronto voy a cometer esa voz tan delicada. No demuestra lo que tú haces con mi piel. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti, dulzura. Para eso esto yo solo cuéntate. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar como tú lo mueves, rapa, pam, pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta, no pasó.
So I really wanted to, and excuse the way I look right now, I look like an absolute mess. It is so hot. I just finished running errands. You guys saw I washed my car. I went to Target, and I'm just a mess, and it's so like hot out. It's so weird because the sun's not out, but it's still like extremely hot. It might even rain, I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to come on here because I know I mentioned right now that I bought like a ton of salads at Target, and I feel like lately I've just been going through it and I haven't been feeling my best, and I know it's because I haven't been following my diet as I should be. And I know I haven't been like on keto or in ketosis, it's been a while, but I'm still trying to stick to low carb. I'm still trying to make better decisions without like being too restrictive. Lately I haven't been feeling my best, and I can feel it, you know, when you just feel crappy because you've been eating crappy food. And that's how I've just been feeling lately, and it hasn't been making me feel good, especially now that like summer's here. And I can't say I've like completely fallen off track, because I know it could have been way worse. I'm very proud for, you know, the progress that I made, but I don't want to continue going down that hill as I fell off a little bit, because it's just gonna be harder to get back on track. And it's easier to get back on track right now. I'm working on not being so hard on myself because I fell off a little bit. Just keep it pushing. I'm gonna try to share recipes with you guys. I've been thinking about doing like what I eat in a day videos for weight loss, and at least that will kind of give you guys an idea of what you can eat if you want to switch up your recipes, and it'll also hold me accountable for the stuff that I'm eating. I'm just here to let you know that it happens to all of us and it's totally fine. We're human, you know, we sometimes don't make the best decisions. Sometimes we're really committed and dedicated, and it happens, especially with food. I think it's very easy for people to fall off, and it's okay. It's okay to get back up. I just want to share my struggles because I don't want to be on here and making you guys feel like, you know, everything's all perfect and this and that. Like, I want to be as real as I can with you guys, and this is me sharing the fact that I've been slipping a little bit and I'm working on it. If you have been falling off, don't be so hard on yourself. I always have my baby girl. I always have my baby girl to lean on. By the way, she's doing so much better now after that bath. She really needed that. She's itching here and there, but it's also been like a few days since she first got bit. So she's doing a lot better, thank God, because she was really scaring me. She just kept scratching and scratching, and I didn't know what else to do with her, but she's doing so much better, and I'm really happy because she's getting back to her normal self. I feel like she wasn't really herself because it was like when you don't feel good, and I don't blame her. She had a ton of mosquito bites. If I had a ton of mosquito bites, I wouldn't be in a good mood either. So, hey, thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Sleeping with the killer? Okay. That might be something to look into, actually. Let's see. Is there a trailer? The stories of ordinary people who met fatal ends because of jealousy. Oh, gosh. Should we try the first episode? 43 minutes. Why not? Oh, I should have read the description. Okay, hold on. The 2013 murder of Dana McKay, who was attacked by her husband's mistress and 2 accomplices while she was recovering from surgery in the hospital. Wow. Okay, well, I guess let's watch the first episode, and if you like it, we'll continue watching.
Con la boca y placer.